Ito yung pag-stayan namin ng 2 nights.
3.
Is this 3 bedroom?
You got us a 3-bedroom?
I thought
Look
you
at
said it was a room with a
this.
twin or 2 twins.
Wow.
It's funny because it did.
Yay! Go
Look
look at the
guys, ang
water.
ganda ng ano. Yeah, ang ganda. Oh my gosh.
That's
What?
So, ask namin kung pwede kami bumili ng ticket na ngayon, guys. Naka-swimsuit na si Madam, oh. Tinanggal ko yung dress niya. Hi guys! Welcome back. And today, pupunta kami ng Mackinac. And ayan, pupunta na kami sa Mackinac Bridge.
Little town. Come on, Bolt.
Hi guys! We're here. Punta kami sa hotel namin. Ay, sa hotels. Yeah, sa hotel room. Ito yung hotel. Ito yung pag-stayan namin ng 2 nights. Punta tayo sa room. Okay. There we are. Ooh!
Holy shit. Better look out at the water. I'm gonna be bumming.
Nice.
What's that? 3.
Is this 3 bedroom?
You got us a 3-bedroom?
I just picked a room that.
Nice.
Yeah, I thought
Look
you
at
said it was a room with a
this.
twin or 2 twins.
Wow.
It's funny because it did.
Yay! Go
Look
look at the
guys, ang
water.
ganda ng ano. Yeah, ang ganda. Oh my gosh.
That's
Wow. That's beautiful. Look at the water. Look how clear
They're
the
fine.
water.
She's not gonna make it
no.
over.
Wow.
See, and then
Dang.
This is nice.
That's legit.
Yeah. Ang ganda, grabe. Wow.
Ellie
That's nice. Ellie. Tignan natin yung ano, bathroom. Ay, may TV din, oh. May cabinet. Ito yung bathroom, guys. May shower. Si Mama Karen kasi nagpili ng ano namin. Ng tutuluyan. So, taray. May closet din. Diba? Tapos merong malaking sink dito. Pwede ka mag-toothbrush, maghilamos. Ito yung pinakamalaking bed. Pang family talaga siya. Ang ganda. Nice. Diba? Tapos meron pa ditong ano. Meron pa mga lagayan pa ng gamit. Tapos meron ulit TV. Yun oh. Wow. That's nice. Ang ganda. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Ang linaw ng tubig. Tapos pwede rin kami maligo. Grabe. Tapos hindi siya crowded kasi ang unti lang ng tao. Diba? Wow, look at that. Ang ganda. Tapos bukas mag-ano kami, sakay kami ng ferry boat ng umaga. So, mag-vlog din ako guys para makita nyo yung pupuntahan namin, no? Lamig siguro yung tubig. Naglalaro yung mag-ama, oh. Magtatay sa baba. Sabi ni Travis, mukhang malamig daw. Wow. Nice. Diba, unti ng mga tao dito. Wow. Saan kayo yung Grand Hotel? Babe, do you know where the Grand Hotel is?
Yeah, it's on Mackinac Island.
Oh, so we're in Mackinac.
We're in Mackinac City. We're going to Mackinac Island tomorrow.
Oh, so di pala to island. Sa Mackinac City kami, pero punta kami ng Mackinac Island.
Yeah, so the Grand Hotel is on the island.
Right. Ang ganda, grabe. Parang first time ko makakita ng ganito kalinaw dito. Dito sa Amerika ha, na yung tubig. Kasi yung mga napupunta namin sa Virginia.
She just threw her ribbon off her head.
So, mga napupunta namin sa Virginia, yung mga, hindi siya malinaw na tubig. Sabi yung bata, nandun na, Hindi naman kasi siguro malalim. Wow, ang ganda dito, guys. Nakaka-relax. Ang ganda rin ang pinag-stayan namin. Alright, guys. Maghanap kami ng kakain. Where are we going then? Where are we eating?
I don't know. I forget the name already.
Yeah, so...
Something
like
Rustic
slide
Brewing?
down. Something brewing.
Rustic Brewing Company, I think.
Mother, Starbucks! I see the Starbucks logo.
Where?
Right there!
Oh shoot! It is Starbucks.
Okay, shop is right there.
Yeah, I was saying, I think everything's within like earshot.
Well, that's why when I picked this hotel, I kind of wanted something
Like,
close.
yeah, close to everything. Yeah.
I think we could almost walk everywhere.
Ang ganda ng hotel kasi para siyang, tignan yung itsura,
But we can go just kind of like go see where that's at.
Yeah.
Go see where the post
Post
office.
offices, yep, drive by.
Kasi may idadrop kaming package bukas ng umaga, guys. Mga order namin. Dami kong order ngayon, guys. Busy pa rin ako kahit nasa bakasyon, Grinder talagang grinder na. Hindi na grinder na. So, sasakay pala kami, guys.
There first, you want to run
Nakaboots si
by
madam,
the post office to see where.
Lagyan namin ng boots kay gusto niya mag-boots Nagngingipin si Ellie, guys. Yun naman, nagkabukol din siya sa kakulitan. Ellie, show me your teeth.
Come out.
Show me your teeth. Ouch.
Go to the
Mackinac Winery.
And then we'll go back.
Ganda ng place dito.
We can go back park.
Animal tracks,
So you
nice.
keep going. Yeah.
Oh, may Starbucks. Mackinac Crossing. So, Mackinac pala ito. Bukas ang pupuntahan namin, island siya. Wow. Nice.
Hey, what'd she got?
Ganda naman ng mga building dito.
I guess if it's raining, it might be worth the $20. I don't know.
Yeah, if it's
Oh,
raining,
wow.
maybe
I wonder if you can go there now and get your ticket.
for tomorrow.
Yeah.
But
Maybe.
we don't know how long stuff's gonna take tomorrow.
Ready to eat. Nasa brewery kami, guys. Tawag dito is sa restaurant ay brewery. We'll see kung ano pwede natin makain dito, Brewery. Trail bus, Pangs. Boots si madam, Boots.
Okay. She's doing okay. We'll put her Nike on later.
Yeah.
She's just not good at walking.
Brewery. I think they're fixing it.
They're just too big.
Oh, it's just that's how
Yeah, it's beer.
that's how they put the sign like that.
What
It
year?
has like some lights. Brewery, let's see, guys. Wow. Oh, parang nasa bar tayo, Is this a bar? It's like a bar, right? Yeah. What? Where's the baby? That baby. Where are we sitting? Okay, ito yung menu nila, guys. Daming tao ngayon. Daming tao dito. Dito si madam, Daming tao. Tapos pwede kang bumili ng mga alak. Pero nandito kami para sa pagkain.
It's gotta be.
Yeah, yeah. That big giant one.
Don't drop that.
A few moments later.
Look at that pretzel. That's a big
Everybody's
pretzel.
taking a picture of the pretzel.
Yeah.
Boy, are we
Here,
tourists or
put my
what?
cup next to it. This is how you really know.
Lucky. Look at the pretzel, Ellie. Ellie. Look at Grandma. Grandma's taking picture.
Okay. Here,
Dumating na yung food namin, guys. May kamay na maliit. May malikot na kamay. And then, and kay Daddy Ron. Ito kay Travis.
Are you done with mine, Graham?
What did you get, Ma?
I don't like a bowl of meat.
Brisket
Yeah,
tips.
brisket
Oh,
tips.
brisket. Okay.
It's like an appetizer, actually.
That's a lot.
Meron kami pretzel
Yeah, she
na
said it
malaki
was pretty good. She said it was like a soup bowl.
Let's eat, guys! So, ang tawag dito sa ano ko is grilled gear grinder. So, ito yung fries, tapos beef bulgogi something, ganun. Tapos nakalagay yung yan bread. Diba? Let's eat! Hi, guys! Tapos na kami kumain. Ang haggard. Ang haggard. Grabe, paalis-alis kami. Kagagaling lang namin, galing ng Sand Dunes. Tapos pumunta naman kami ngayon dito sa Makino. Makino! Bumila ko ng sunglasses. Wala, nasira din. Kasi hindi ko mahanap tong isa.
Wala na.
Wala na. Hey, guys! Naka-swimsuit yan, wag ka, oh. Naka-swimsuit yan. Ellie, swimsuit yan.
Say grandpa. Grandma.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello, lady.
She's so happy.
Hello with you, boo.
Hi guys, balik kami sa taas. Okay, mag number 2 ako agad. Number 2. Yeah, we'll just take the stairs. Stop being lazy, babe. Bilis ni Travis. Hey! Wait for me! Where are you? Travis. Can't see you now. Alright. Whew. Kakain lang namin, tapos ilalabas ko lang din agad. Alright guys, tapos maglalakad-lakad kami mamaya sa labas. Maglalakad-lakad kami ngayon. So, 18:37
It looks like Arnold's may not be.
ngayon.
Hey, there's an arcade.
Ayun sinasabi ko, Makina Brewery.
Fill our cups with ice cream.
Oh, fudge! Babe, fudge! Before we leave, ha? I wanna try their
Yeah,
fudge.
'cause it depends on the weather tomorrow.
Right,
'Cause
yeah.
you want to buy it when you're gonna leave the island because
Oh, it will melt, yeah. Oh, look at that.
You could be like that guy on TikTok.
Karen.
There's a bathroom.
Bathroom right here.
Wow, nice.
Karen.
Okay. Yeah, bathroom right here. Conkling Heritage Park. Nice. Ang ganda ng
This is how
park.
they used to do it in the old days. Get ice. That was your refrigerator.
Oh.
Then they'd put it
Nice.
in a hill where they would build a building into a big dirt hill,
Mm-hmm.
and then put the ice.
Ice harvesting.
Uh-huh.
School for the people in the Great Lakes.
Jeff will have to run with her because they'll chase you.
Sige. What are you doing, babe? You like your new binky now?
It glows in the dark.
Yeah. Yes.
Irving.
Her binky. So you can easily find it. Pinagat niya kasi yung binky niya. Ngingipin si Elo. Tumutubo yung ngipin. Oh, look at that, guys. Mackinac Bay. Mackinac Island Brew House. Dumaan din tayo kanina dito, pero ngayon naglalakad kami. Wow, that's nice. Very nice here. Wow. Diba, ang taray. Starbucks pala yan. Yung store na yan, oh. Yeah. That's different from all the Starbucks I've seen here. Kulay brown yung building. Diba? Ugly N? Why they put Ugly N boat tours? Mackinac City Railroad Dock. Oh! Sheplers. Mackinac Crossing. I know! That's Starbucks. Which one, Dad? Yeah, look at that, babe. What is that?
Golf.
What?
What's inside the apron?
Those are brewers.
Oh,
That's
miniature golf was back there.
they're brewing.
Oh, really? Inside?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow.
Oh, so that's owned by the Hoffman family of companies?
Nice too. That's store.
Probably.
Yeah, must be for this.
United States Army. Gray O'Neill. Oh! Same last name with... Oh, nice! Oh. Shepler Shuttle. Meron silang ano, shuttle. Municipal Marina.
This is where you park your personal boat.
Oh, right here?
Yep.
Wow. Mackinac Island.
That's
Look.
kind of cool. They have soldiers, fallen soldiers on each of their signs.
Yeah.
Look, on all of them.
That's nice.
Look at this. Navy.
US Navy.
that's right.
Oh, that's Vietnam War.
That's
Coast Guard.
Same uniform. Pretty darn close. Same.
Ellie! Hi! Pinag-pacifier namin siya guys ngayon kay nagpatubo yung ngipin niya. Masakit yung gum niya. Ayaw niya kasi ng teeter eh. Kaya yan yung pinapagamit na
Mackinac Civil
namin.
War Dahlgren cannon.
Nice. She's a big
It's an
ball.
ugly cannon.
Oh, Dixie Salon.
If you want to go and check out Shepherd's, you just text them.
Oh, we can. It's a saloon.
Oh, saloon, not salon.
Yeah,
I
like a
see.
bar.
Oh, okay. Mom is asking if you want to check out.
I said, yeah, we can. I think we can probably just buy from them out too.
Oh, another fudge store. See that, guys? Kasi, yeah, Mackinac is known for fudge. What is that?
Mackinac Island fudge.
Fudge. Masarap daw ang fudge nila dito.
You can run too.
No, it's then we get a walk on the island.
Oh, yeah. The gateway to Mackinac Island. Right here. Look, guys. The gateway to Mackinac Island.
Oh, what are you asking her?
You want to go see what?
So, ask namin kung pwede kami bumili ng ticket na ngayon, guys. Kasi bukas kami pupunta ng umaga. Kasi may timing yung ferry boat dito kung kahit anong oras ang alis. Dito kami mag-aas, guys.
If you can buy them ahead of time.
Kaya sabi ko, pwede kayo bumili ng ticket ngayon para bukas. Okay, so bibili na kami ngayon. Ito yung fudge, guys.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Store.
$600 for that bumblebee?
$600. Wow. Is that a fudge?
Let's walk in here. Is this like a souvenir shop?
I thought that's a fudge.
Doggy.
Wow, look,
Holy cow.
Ellie. Wow. That is nice. Look at that. Oh,
That's made out of tigers.
yeah.
Is that a lion? Yeah.
Nice.
It's 20 grand.
Oh, gawa sa gulong. Wow.
20 grand.
That's made out of tires.
No, that's the.
Yeah. That's nice. Oh, these are their fudges, ma.
Thinner.
Ooh.
They
They used
used to
to be thick?
the size of 2 of those.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice. Look at that, guys. Tapos may mga souvenir din silang tinda.
Wait till you get on the island. They like that.
Right. Yeah, when we go there, yeah.
I bet you there's a lot of hours in it.
Alright guys, punta naman tayo dito sa Makina Crossings Mall.
Why Mackinac? Why up here? Sleepers.
Look.
There's a lot of them.
Wow.
Well, I mean, it doesn't surprise me.
Look. Ito yung parang pinaka-mall nila dito na ano. Mini... Ano nila. Oh! Look at that transformer! Oh, that's nice. Babe, look at that transformer right there.
Yeah, you know what? Wanna walk in there? Look at all those.
Cool stuff here. Let me see.
Oh. Transition this girl.
Oh, babe, look. I remember the obsession we watch. I feel like they sell those kind of
They
stuff.
do.
Really?
It's like those.
Are you sure? Like
Maybe
that?
not.
Wow. I remember the obsession we watched. I feel like they sell those kind of stuff.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know, the...
Is that cool?
Oh, wow.
What is that?
Look guys, ang ganda oh. Laki ng bumblebee. Okay, let's go check here. Dahil pa sa mga tinda. Right. Ang cute nito oh. Makina. Alright guys, pupunta tayo doon sa may
engine now.
may tubig.
No, but you can still get a powerful engine that. You
Bye, Ellie.
Nice.
Look, bye, Ellie.
Ellie. Ooh.
Look, Ma, no hands.
Tignan natin kung malamig ang tubig. Ha? Oh. Oh yeah.
Big enough tires to go through.
Yay, 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 yay. You wanna go to the
Wanna go
water?
by the water? Let's go see.
Go see. Excited oh. Okay, come on. Right there. Right there.
Trickers.
There you go. Come on. Come on, hang on. Hold mommy's hand. And then, dun kami sa taas. Kalimutan ko na saan yung ano namin. Pero dyan sa taas. I wanna try Ellie. There's some kids swimming. Yung mga bata naliligo. Wala masyadong tao dito, guys. Uh-oh. Come on.
See, and ours is the end one.
I think so, yeah.
The top of the baby top.
Oh, yeah. Right. Doon kami sa pinakataas kanina. Yan talaga yung room pala natin.
I think they gave that to us because I did it under his military.
Oh.
When I
You
booked
mean
it.
Travis,
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I booked it, I did it under his military, and I think they give them better rooms.
oh, nice, yeah.
Oh, Ellie, look.
Ellie, look at the water. Ellie! Wow! Ellie! Wow! Oh, ang linaw, guys. Grabe. Oh, it's cold! Wow! Grabe ang linaw, oh. Wow, the water is really clear. That's nice. Wow. You're fine. See, look at the kids there. There you go. Look at her, Ma. Good girl. There you go.
Okay, is that better? It's not so rocky right here.
Not too bad, though.
Well,
There you
right
go.
here, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hindi naman too big.
It's not that bad.
Nice. Oh, naglaro na, Ma. Look at her. She's playing already. Wow. Naka-swimsuit na si Madam, oh. Tinanggal ko yung dress niya. She's so happy.
You can look down in there, but you have to hold your breath. Yeah.
Grabe ang linaw. Nantuwa si Ellie. Woo!